Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Benadim, and back by popular demand is fiance Kristen. We're walking into SnoDeo to watch or look at the vintage snowmobiles, so stay tuned for the fun. There's a couple we got to look at up here. A couple old Olympics. I didn't even hear those go by. Yeah. Old Boland's Husky. 68 Olympic. This is a nice 4-stroke turbo. If I only had like 25 grand, I could own it. Careful not to get in front of me, honey. Here's a modern kitty cat. I like this one a lot.
Sorry.
You're good, thank you.
Sounds good anyways. Hopefully they make it.
Northway, that looks kind of fancy with that shiny pipe sticking off the side of the hood. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you bet.
I really like the color of this one.
This Yamaha?
Yeah, the blue is just really pretty.
I could get you a blue Yamaha if you would ride it.
I
Why won't you ride it? You said you liked it.
There's one here I would ride.
Yeah, we'll go look at that one.
The Snowbee.
Oh, here's my favorite.
This is your favorite one?
Yep.
I thought you liked 72s.
Yeah, but I have one of these.
Oh.
74 free air 340 I'm working on the motor with Bud. It's kind of the sled that got me interested in the vintage ones, really.
No, it's further back.
Yeah, that one might be my cover sled.
I wish I had a little brush to get all the snow.
Well, I was just gonna say, actually, I like filming in the snow because it, you know, adds a little bit of a layer.
Oh.
Gives some character to the video. Oh, honey, there's your favorite sled right there.
So many people don't understand the reason for the snow.
Sure the sun wasn't shining though, because it would be super sparkly.
The sparkly white, yeah. It is a nice
See the sparkles.
nice piece though. Glad to see it again.
Yeah.
My daughter wants to.
This one was just posted by a page I follow. This purple sparkly
Arctic?
one.
Is it sparkly?
Yeah, it would be if the sun was out.
Yeah, it would be.
Bill Adams, this is a clone. Bill Adams.
Oh, little baby one.
Yeah, I think I already filmed that, but let me just make sure.
It's so small.
I like that Boss Cat lettering with the gold decal.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's legit or not. That's pretty sweet though.
Oh, look at these little toy sleds.
I feel like this design, and there's another one too, it looks like a, kind of looks like the front of like a beard shaver, like the shape of it almost.
Oh. I like these little baby feet ones.
Yeah. It's almost like what we brought to the Nationals. We just had a 75 as a 74. There was a lot of fun color sleds from this era.
I feel like my mom had a windbreaker, those colors.
Yeah, I think that was just like the poppin' color
Yeah.
in the 90s. You know, there was something everywhere of that color.
Mine was all purple, Trish. I really liked it.
I would like one of these. Just a plain Jane Olympic 335.
You don't have one like this?
We have some clunkers kind of like it, but nothing nice. So that's pretty much a walkthrough of all the sleds that I saw. There's a equipment trailer set up here with some tractors and stuff. Oh, there's actually a, looks like a Blizzard. I'm glad I walked over here. Let's check that out. Yeah, so I just kind of talked up that it looks like some kind of custom race sled. Maybe it started off as just a land, or maybe it's in a land Blizzard that they kind of made more radical, but I'm probably going to have to not play that just because there was music playing. I don't want to get copyright striked, but I might do a voiceover, we'll see. But yeah, pretty cool. There's some other sleds I want to go check out and maybe talk up a little bit. So this is Kristen's favorite at the show. Why don't you tell everybody what you like about it, honey?
Well, I like that it is called the Love Bug. And I like that it looks like a nice casual ride.
Casual ride. Okay. Would you be the one riding or driving?
I think I would drive.
You would?
I like that it has normal seats.
Okay.
I would drive it.
How do you think this compares to the $23,000 Elite that we saw at the Nationals?
I mean, this would be option B.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Did you want to get this?
I wanted to talk this one up before even she said she liked it, but it's almost kind of like an Alpine. It's got, looks like dual tracks and a single ski up front. Very, very cool. Yeah, I don't know that these are very common. So it's pretty cool to see. So what does Kristen think about this one?
It's a pretty color.
Yeah, I knew you'd like the color. This is a homemade drag sled. I heard it had a Honda Civic engine in it. Very cool design.
I don't imagine this one's very comfortable.
Well,
It's got shag carpet inside.
I mean, what else do you need? I don't know what this is based off of, or if it's based off of anything, but it's pretty cool. Quite the hodgepodge of videos of just trying to catch sleds as they're riding around.